have the privilege to invite the young orthopedic surgeons and budding orthopedic surgeons on behalf of the Faculty of Conceptual Orthopedics. We are looking forward to a very warm gathering, a physical gathering after a very long time, and we have planned 3 days in November, 12th, 13, and 14. November 12th will be predominantly confined to care of trauma, orthopedic trauma, and the repair of the traumatized bones, joints, and spine. On 13 and 14, we are aiming at clinical examination, clinical assessments of common orthopedic conditions anywhere in the body. They may be in the spine, hip, knee, ankle, shoulder, anywhere in the body, which will cover infections, inflammatory conditions, tumorous conditions, congenital malformations, and degenerative conditions, and probably many other conditions. I pray you all join, interact with the senior faculty who have been excellent teachers over years. I'm sure this interaction will provide us an opportunity to improve not only learning but also the teaching process. We are looking forward to meet you all and wish you all the best.